Hey, it's Peter at Craft. And if you've been using Craft for a while, you know it's where your thinking happens. And this update makes that thinking a whole lot more powerful. Most of us manage the work the same way. A long list of projects or tasks that tells you what exists, but not where anything stands. Kanban changes that. It's a simple method for visualizing work as cards moving through columns like to do, in progress, and done. At a glance, you see what's happening, what's stuck, and what's ready to move. And now you can build one directly inside any craft document. Start with a few ideas, turn them into tasks, and organize everything into a visual board, right next to your notes, your research, your thinking. So no more switching tools and no more breaking your flow. And when words aren't enough, you can now visualize your ideas instantly. We added support for Mermaid, the open source diagramming standard. Write a few lines of code and Craft renders a clean, polished diagram automatically. Map out the process, structure a system, explain a complex idea, all right next to your notes. From scattered thinking to structured diagram in seconds. If you are on Apple devices, you already have access to Apple's foundation model as your built-in AI assistant in Craft. It runs entirely on-device, free, private, and fully offline. And now it's significantly more capable. You can send multiple messages in a single thread, so instead of one-shot prompts, you can refine, iterate, and shape your ideas step by step. We've also made a lot of performance improvements under the hood, so everything feels faster and more reliable. So open Craft, try it out, and let us know what you build. And happy crafting!